Hello, my name is Barbara Lewis. I'm a singer and a vocal coach. A couple of days ago, a friend sent me a link to a video on YouTube that showed a doctor in England talking about a breathing exercise that he had learned from a nurse on his floor. It was something that she used for people who were in some sort of respiratory distress. And it got me thinking that the rest of us who are not in distress, who are living through this time, could use a breathing exercise also to calm down, to build up the breathing muscles, and to learn how to breathe a little more deeply. So I'm going to give you something that we singers use. I teach this breathing exercise. I use it a lot myself. It's very simple. It goes like this. You stand well. You feel like your chest is tall and your shoulders are broad. And then you take a deep breath. And then you exhale on a long held S, like this. You may not be able to hold it that long. You might hold it a lot longer. Doesn't matter. Don't strain. Don't force anything. Just the next breath, maybe a little deeper. Maybe you hold it a little longer. So here's the second breath. So you hold it as long as you can. It's not for respiratory distress. And this doctor, as you'll see, because I'll put the video below here, he does not say that this his exercise is a cure for anything, but it seemed to help people in distress calm down their breathing. Anyway, you can watch the video. And I'll put one of my videos that has a lot more about this breathing exercise down there too. Thank you very much for watching. I hope to see you again. Bye-bye.